she's looking for things to sink them into. This tennis ball isn't quite cutting it. Her sister Bronte has found something new. Brave little Honey gives it a full inspection. Soon both these sisters shift from doubt to demolition.